In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to background blur in Microsoft Teams. If you're in a call or meeting and want a little more privacy or just a cleaner looking video, background blur is a great option. It helps keep the focus on you by softening everything behind you, which can be especially useful if your surroundings are busy, distracting, or just not meeting ready. To get started, make sure you're already in an active Microsoft Teams call or meeting. Once you're inside the meeting window, look toward the top of the screen for the More Actions menu. This is where Teams keeps extra meeting controls that aren't shown directly on the main toolbar. Go ahead and click More Actions to open that menu. After the drop-down appears, find and select Video Effects and Settings. This section gives you control over how your camera appears to other people in the meeting. It's where you can adjust visual effects, including background options. When you open it, a side panel should appear with different video effect choices. In that panel, click Standard Blur. This option lightly blurs your background while keeping you in focus. It's a simple and professional choice if you want to reduce distractions without completely replacing your background. In many cases, Standard Blur looks more natural than heavier effects, so it works well for most meetings. Once you've selected Standard Blur, click Apply. This confirms the change and turns on the blur effect for your video. After that, other people in the meeting should see you clearly while the background behind you appears softened. If you want the best result, try to sit in a well-lit area and keep your camera steady. Good lighting helps Teams separate you from the background more accurately, which makes the blur effect look cleaner. Also, if your background is very close to you, the blur may not look as strong, so a little distance can help. And that's it. While you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, just open More Actions, choose Video Effects and Settings, select Standard Blur, and click Apply. It only takes a few seconds, and it can instantly make your video look more polished and less distracting. If you found this helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.